Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to say Grammarly Premium suggestions for free. Grammarly Premium provides advanced writing suggestion, but it typically requires a paid subscription to access these features. Here are a few approaches to say Grammarly Premium suggestion or similar benefits without a paid subscription. First is using Grammarly Free for basic suggestion. Grammarly Free version offers essential grammar, spelling, and punctuation suggestion, which can improve your writing significantly. Though it lacks advanced features, it's still very useful for basic correction. Second is Grammarly Premium free trials and offers. Grammarly occasionally offers free trials or discounts for their premium service. You can check their website or sign up for their mailing list to be notified of this promotion. You can also refer friends to earn premium access. Grammarly has a referral program where you can invite friends to sign up. In return, they sometimes offer premium access for a limited period if your friends join using a referral link. Fourth is educational discount. Grammarly often provides discount for student and educational user. You can inquire if Grammarly offers discount plans for students through their customer support. While these methods may not unlock all Grammarly Premium features for free, they can help you access advanced suggestions periodically without fully committing to a paid subscription. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.